another video. In this video I will demo how Lightning Web Components work within Titan if you use the video element within the Titan form. So if you look at this Titan form here, we've got Vimeo and YouTube. And what you can do is you can embed this directly anywhere within any object in Salesforce. So example here is this, that over here in this case there's a Lightning Web component over here, and what it does, based off the subject, it shows you the related video. Alright, and this is dynamic. So this is really cool because you can essentially use this to display any video as per any case. So basically what it does, it just reads the subject saying if it contains the keywords I will show you the video, and it's doing it dynamically really nicely in here. And you can set this up for just about any use case. Could be educational based off a certain subject, and you can use Vimeo or YouTube, and again this can be done in minutes. It doesn't have to take hours or years. It can be done in minutes and embedded directly into Salesforce as a Lightning Web component. So there you go. As per your subject, we'll show you the video.